Sure. I actually want to throw up. Jesus Christ. This hangover is something serious. I don't even know if I'm hungover or tired, but there's something that's dealing with me decisively. And I wanted to be fresh for today. I don't know why I agreed to go out last night, but I didn't really have much of a choice, to be fair, But I am ngikhathele, and I want to change my outfit, so I'm going to the place that has the outfit that I want, but I know they only have it in a medium. But I'm like, let me get into the changing room and try it on. You know what I mean? Maybe the medium might fit. I mean, my ass is fat, but my waist is tiny, and that's why I don't think the medium's gonna fit. Finished early at least. Dude, I finished early, and now these motherfuckers that I'm supposed to be rolling with are taking their goddamn time doing everything in the fucking world. And it's fucking hot as shit, and I'm wearing boots. So, but at least my face is eating. When is it not, to be honest? Shout out to my Azza. Yo! Azza cooked. I don't know what my dad was doing in the bedroom. He was just there giving me nice eyes. And he said, I'm out. Because what the fuck? Why do I look like this? Why is my face like this? You know what I mean? Like, living a life not knowing what it is to be unattractive is amazing. And I never talk like this, but I'm feeling myself. Go buy slides. Slides? Why the fuck would I wear slides at an event? Shade like that. So it goes, thank you. But because I've worn this outfit before, and my nigga even told me, he said, I saw a picture of you in that denim outfit, and that's what made me DM you. So he knows this outfit because clearly he liked it. I want to wear something different, but like I said, they said they don't have it in a small, but I'm still going to go there and try it on. You understand? Hey, pretty lady. Hi, mama. Bitch can't do it like me. Woke up, I'm still in the lead. I know these hoes is mad. It's time for hoes to gag. I'm putting belt to ass. If a bitch wants to smoke with me, then we can link whenever. Until then, I'm in my bed. Just rub my feet together. She's just young. You understand? I'm young and ratchet. That's cool. That's a Gemini thing. But you're going to change your outfit? My bad. I am, but I'm not going to wear slides. I'm not going to change my outfit. I want to try on the outfit that I always wanted to wear and hope that it fits. But the store said to me, we only have it in medium. And like I said, my waist is tiny. This outfit was never this loose before the BBL. Now that my waist has been snatched and there's no fat in my stomach, it's loose. So a medium is definitely not going to fit me. But I have time, so I'm going to try. Because motherfuckers is doing their own shit. Like, are you going somewhere? That's a dumbass question. In school when they used to tell you, when teachers used to say, there's no such thing as a dumb question. There are dumb questions. And that's one of them. Like, do I look like I'm staying at home? Like, what are you on about? Slow face, bitch. Whose spot is you taking? My spot forever, ho. I'm like a Dalmatian. Who they? Obviously, it's gone. Who they invented these Chanels for? Not me. I don't even know if this place is open on Saturdays, guys. But like I said, my nigga's busy doing a fucking podcast. So he's not answering his phone. Like, what am I supposed to do? Maybe I should go eat. Hello.
How are you?
Good, thanks. And you? It's fucking hot out here. It is so hot, guys. Thank God the weather and the sun is shining because we're celebrating hip-hop today. Hip-hop, what drug? Sure. They're gonna need to charge my phone there because what the hell? Why don't you buy and take it to a tailor to do something quick on it? The tailor? For something I need to be wearing kunamanje. I I don't even know if there's a tailor at that center. I don't even know if that center is open, guys. Like, there's a lot of things that I don't know. And I need some Babala's rescue, honestly. Can we stop at the next garage, please?
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Sharp, good.
We are celebrating at your mom's house. Oh, God, I'm so tired. Why the fuck was I out last night? Yes. It's crazy. I'm exhausted. Gotta do the jumbo. Might just do the maxi. I like a classic bag. Gotta keep it classy. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. These bitches can't fuck with me. Pussy tastes like honeycomb. Talking on my money. Shout out to my hoes that wear the pants like Kamala. Got my baby daddy acting like my baby mama. Look like you had a ball though. I didn't have a ball on my period. But yesterday was fun. But like, I wanted to be fresh today. So I thought I was just gonna go to a friend's birthday. I thought I was just gonna go to a friend's birthday. And then I got told, oh yeah, we're going to Rockets. I'm playing. I'm like, who's we? I said, we, ma'am, you and me. I said, no, man, I didn't sign up for this shit. I genuinely didn't. Where are we going, boy? We're going to hip hop floor. Hip hop, what took? Yo, no, I need to go to the garage and get some Babala's rescue, some painkillers, and a Powerade. Maybe even a Coke. I don't even drink Coke because I don't like caffeine, but Jesus. This hangover and the fatigue is dealing with me decisively. My gay shirt he was wearing, where's it from? How do you know what shirt he was wearing? Did he post? I don't know. Did he post? I don't know where it's from. It's really cool though. Just wanted to get the outfit you wanted. I'm going now to hope and pray that the outfit that I wanted, because they only have a medium, I'm going now and I'm hoping that it fits me, because I like this outfit and I could do this outfit, but I want to change. So right, which cheat face to use? Anything, hey? Guys, when it comes to teeth and my skin, I'll be using anything. I literally ran into Pearl Tusi the other night and she's like, what do you use on your skin? Because I wasn't wearing makeup. I said, dude, Johnson's face wash. Like, I don't have a routine. I'm just blessed. That's why I said shout out to my Azza, because she was cooking. When I was in her belly, I'm sure she was rubbing it saying, make my child beautiful. Because now look. Face pretty. I know I could probably win a pageant, baby. Streets is calling me and they keep saying, let's get active, baby. Huh? You can't do it like me. You can't do it like me. Woke up and still in the lead. I know these hoes is mad. She cooked. No, she cooked, honestly. That's what I'm saying. She's probably rubbing her belly every day, manifesting a gorgeous child. And the fact that I'm not going to have kids means it stops here, which is really sad, because I would have loved to see what my kids would look like. You know? But I wonder who I'm going to marry. Do you guys ever think, let me just go speak to a psychic and find out who I'm gonna marry? Also, so that I don't waste my time. Do you know what I mean? Like, I just don't, like, imagine a psychic telling you you're gonna meet your husband at 33. Then I just wouldn't date until 33. Because if you know my husband, what are you doing it? Do you know what I mean? I always wonder. put gloss on my lips though, because gloss doesn't last. That's the reason for not wanting to have kids. I'm not asking in a bad way. I don't want to be tied to someone I could potentially hate forever. You know what I mean? Imagine arguing with someone you can't even block them because tomorrow you must be talking about the new. Oh, jeez. No. I need to be able to block and cut you off completely. Now I can't because we have a child together. This is too much. I don't want this random little person in my ear first thing in the morning. It's too much selflessness, yeah. And I don't know if I'll ever be ready for that level of selflessness, compromise, sacrifice. Can I get you anything like a Coke or
Energy drink.
energy drink? Like what, Powerade or like Monster?
Monster is over, right?
Monster, okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. These bitches can't fuck with me. My pussy tastes like honeycomb. Talking on my money phone. I hate being in a skimpy outfit in public and not where I'm going, because then everyone's looking at me like, oh, what smells like KFC? Oh, there's actually a KFC right there. That's what I need, but I'm not going to be able to stomach it. Okay, he said Monster. Who the fuck drinks Monster? That's how we made them from scratch. I'm not making some little person that's gonna fucking keep on me all day. Sorry. I'm not doing that. I'm not into it. I'm not interested. I'm gonna skip the outfit of regular place. Yeah, because everyone's looking at me crazy. They don't know I'm going to hip hop flow. Hip hop, what up? Honestly. Shout out to my host, the way the pants like Kamala. Got my baby daddy acting like my baby mama. Okay, I don't even do grandpa anymore because it gave me stomach ulcers, but I'm gonna have to take grandpa today because Caddy always says when you're hungover, just take Coke and a grandpa. So I'm gonna have grandpa, Powerade, Babala's Rescue, because there's no fucking way I'm in hell, guys. Yo. I think my ass cheeks are out as well, but what can I say? Fuck. I'm just gonna bring the ulcer back. Hey dude, rather the ulcer than this hangover. Cause what the hell? Why do I feel like this? Should I get my nigga cigarettes? No, he's got cigarettes. But I always feel like I have to get him cigarettes whenever I'm at a garage. Just in case. He doesn't know he's gonna run out and then he's gonna need. Doesn't even have cash on their bike.
How are you?
Hi. Good, thanks. And you? Do you have like a Babala's Rescue? No. Okay, can I have that pack of cigarettes, that blue and black one? The blue and black one there, right there. No. Yes. Babala's Rescue. No. No. It's not for me.
I see it, it's on the right. Sorry? Yes, one of those. What are the flavors?
No. Did you not just hear what I said?
What else?
I said that my nigga is always running out of cigarettes, so I just instinctively, whenever I'm at a garage, buy him a pack. Like, Why the fuck did you not hear that part? Gosh. No, I do not smoke. I've never smoked cigarettes ever. I think it's a fucking dirty habit. But people do it. So oh, thank you. Thank you. Here you go.
Thank you so much.
Sorry, I don't know what flavor you wanted.
This is perfect.
Oh, okay, great. So thoughtful. Honestly, he doesn't deserve me. No man does. Anyway. How's my battery already there? I'm gonna show you flames. How do you know? Probably they don't have mobilized rescue though. I'm devastated because I think that was gonna be what was gonna save me. Yeah. Got my baby daddy. Johnny's always good for hangers. Maybe I should have gotten a cold there. I hear you on the baby chat. I need one right now. Matlati, you do not need a baby. I'm sorry. You wouldn't even know who the mama is. And that doesn't make sense because we all know who the mama is because the woman gives birth. But the way you move, you wouldn't know who the mama is. I'm a mess right now because of being live. Yeah. Sharon is a lesbian, Matlazi. Like, literally. If I tell you a story, you won't believe me. What story? Street is calling me and they keep saying, let's get active, baby. Guys, my battery's at around 40%. I don't know why I wasn't charging while doing my makeup. I thought I was invincible. Now we are here. This grandpa better do the trick because I'm willing to take 5 more if it means I'll feel better. Now my bag is full because of these goddamn cigarettes. Yes, I need to sleep. Caitlin, fuck you guys for giving us those shots. Second of all, it was so good to see you yesterday. Thirdly, I'm a mess. All I want to do is sleep. Do you think I can? No. Because, I mean, babe, where are you? You know what I mean? And I'm a very supportive partner, guys. You know what I'm saying? Didn't you listen to Dr. Silly about Grandpa? Yes, I did. And I was throwing up blood because of Grandpa. Gave me the worst stomach ulcers ever. But I need it today. I haven't had Grandpa in like 4 years. This is the first time, but I'm down bad. Thank you. Thick now, you're really hot. You're a man, block. So if I log in, you're always live. I think you do well on YouTube. Thanks.
Sorry.
I know these hoes is mad. It's time for hoes to gag. I'm putting belt to act. You see now, my hair was stuck to my lip, and then I pulled my hair, and then lip gloss is now on my face, Pete. Play my man, he was on one yesterday. Yeah, he's the one that made us take shots, actually. I love him down, but fuck him. Because, what was I? Okay, no, I won't lie. My dude also made us take mad shots throughout the day. Throughout the day, I think I took a total of 11 shots. You make me love blush. You should have always loved blush, but thank you. Anyway, Caitlin, don't disappoint me. You're telling me about sleep. It's 1 p.m. Hip-hop floor starts at 2. I told you to come at 3. My dude is on at 4. You have time, but don't disappoint me. It helps with headaches and nerves. It's healthier than grandpa. I've never heard of it. And the fact that it helps with nerves, it sounds like drugs. What is that? Get ready. What time, bitch? Don't fucking play with me, Caitlin. Don't play with me. Because my dude told me to invite friends so that I wouldn't be scoopering him, and I invited you, so you better come. Also, I wasn't going to scooper anyway, but I was in your brain like a muscle relaxer. Hi, I cannot chalete. Excuse. I never have cash on me. So bad. My battery life is embarrassing. I think I need to get there and ask them to charge my phone before it gets packed. My spot forever, ho. I'm like a Dalmatian. Not me. Schedule 5 painkillers, so you can't get it without a prescription. I love schedules. My ADHD medication is Schedule 6. Literally, they can't even give me a 6-month script for it. So I have a 6-month script for my antidepressants. But my ADHD meds, it's like, it's too hectic that you actually need to keep going and getting a prescription. I love it. Going looking snatched. Hey man, I'm gonna show love to the game. Hip hop, but it. I honestly need to go get like 2 of my ADHD meds. I don't know how I'm gonna do it because I need to give one of them to my nigga because. Okay, he's not in denial. I told him he has ADHD and he believes it. But I'm like, you need to be on fucking meds. Yesterday he was doing that thing again where he gets happy and he just goes, whoa! And we were just like, don't start. But once it starts, there's nothing you can do. Gotta do the jumbos. Might just do the maxi. I like a classic bag. Gotta keep it classy. Keep saying hip hop or dog because honestly, it is hip hop or dog. A slow face, bitch. Whose spot is you taking? My spot forever, ho. I'm like a Dalmatian. Dude, it was crazy. You look like you have love for you. No. Anyway, I need to save some battery life, guys. I love you so much, but I gotta go. And I want to listen to music. I don't even know why I decided to be live. Shout out to you guys. No shade, no tea, but fuck you.